Hello everyone, we will be learning how to make these flowers. Take a strip of paper as per the measurements, add tape on one of the ends, make multiple strips on the other. Now remove the tape and stick it together as such. Then add tape on the other end once you're done and folding it as well. Now take a green cylindrical piece of paper, wrap the initial creation that you have made around it and then do the same with green. There you have it. In order to make these flowers, start off by taking a circular sheet of paper, make V-shaped cuts on one of the ends, that is the curved end. Then make multiple slits on it. Bend each of the shapes that you have made and they should form a small gap between them. Make multiple of the same ones. Then make a cylindrical shape out of green paper and then add the multiple layers that you have created. You may do this with different colors as well. Take a square green sheet of paper, fold it up into a square and then fold in the sides to make it look more like a diamond. Repeat this step and then do this on both the sides. Cut off the bottom edge of it and then put the top edge downwards. Add some glue and then put it as the bottom. Add some leaves as well. Take a pink sheet of paper, add tape to one of the edges. As for the other edge, make multiple slits on it. Roll up each of these slitted edges. You may use a cylindrical object or your fingers in order to do so. Take a green cylindrical object and then wrap this pink sheet around this green cylindrical shape. Take another green rectangular sheet of paper, fold it in half and then make a curved shape onto it. This will be stuck on as the leaves. There you have it. Next, we will be learning how to make this rose. Start off by taking a bottle, cut it up. Take a 5 by 5 cm sheet and then take a cup. Cut out the base of the cup and then take multiple square sheets of paper, make them curved on one of the sides. Stick them one on top of the other as such. Add glue to the top so that they all stick together. You may add the bottom layer in orange. Add this to your bottle and then take a mask, separate its layers and then use it as the outside of the bouquet. You may add a bow. Now we will be learning how to make this heart. Take a pink sheet of paper, fold it up into a rectangle and then fold down both the edges as such. Make a smaller fold at the top and then fold it down. Make multiple of these sheets and then put them one into the other until you form a heart shape. Stick glue to fasten it in its place and then add a bow. We will be learning how to make this smiley sunflower with a message. Take a 7 cm paper that is square in nature, fold it 2 of the edges 2 times over to make it meet in the center. Make multiple of these and then make enough to make a circle. In the center, add a circular yellow sheet and then make the face. In order to make maple leaves, take a square sheet of paper, fold it over 2 times and then make one of the unfolds. Fold over both the edges downwards and then open it up once again. Using the patterns that you have created, make this particular shape out of it. Open it up and you should have your maple leaf. Take some bottle caps and then at the bottle caps, add some brown clay into it. Use a toothbrush to get the texture. Take multiple balls of clay in any color and then add a yellow center to it. Add it together in a circular shape. Make a stem using some green clay and then insert it into your bottle caps. Now we will be learning how to make this flower with a bouquet as well. Take a red ball of clay and then make multiple of these. Arrange it in a circle. Use a sharp object to make the lines in the middle. Add a yellow ball of clay in the middle and then wrap some paper around a stick. Make the stem of the flower. Start off by taking a 7 cm square sheet of paper, fold in 2 of the edges to make it meet in the center over 2 times. Fold it into half and then stick it multiple times together to make a circle out of it. Take a circular sheet of paper, stick it in the middle and there you have your sunflower. Next, take a 10 by 10 cm sheet of paper and then make multiple folds on it to make it look like a fan. Stick it into half after you have done this and then make multiple of these, stick it together. Add the central portion of the sunflower made out of brown paper and then make it double layered. Don't forget to add the stem and the rest of the paper. Thank you for watching.